Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G20 and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now we have to tap on advanced, and right here we've got developer options, so let's tap on it. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, so let's go check it and come back to this video. So if we are in the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find System UI Demo Mode. Let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got two different options. So first of all, we can enable demo mode without showing it just by tapping on the switcher here. And as you can see, nothing changed. But after turning on the second option, which will show the demo mode, you can see the differences on the status bar. So for example, the hour is, let's say default, it's 11 o'clock. What's more, all of those icons are in the full condition. For example, the battery is 100%. Actually, this is it. This is how to show and enable demo mode. Obviously you can keep it turned on without showing it, you can hide it. As you can see, previous notification icons just pops out, and we can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your NOKIA G20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.